off to the races. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So, I just want to say right off the bat that last week I put out a video and I wasn't really sure, truth be told, how well received it would be. You see, I've been putting out a lot of gear review videos lately, and I know a lot of you have subscribed to the channel to see those, but the fun for me, really, when it comes to nature photography is going out and doing nature photography. So I decided to record a video where we just go out together and we do some nature photography and we try to count how many, unique species I can photograph. And, I put the video out, I had a lot of fun making it, and I wasn't really expecting it to get much traction or that many views, but I was blown away by the really positive response I got from everyone in the comments of that video saying, hey, I love watching nature photography. I want to see more videos like this. I like this format, and I am hearing you loud and clear. So I'm going to be making a few more nature walk videos like this, and I'm really excited and happy to oblige because these are my favorite types of videos to make, and I have a lot of fun making them. So today I've come out to one of my favorite local parks. I've got with me the Z9 and the 800 PF, and as always I'll be shooting with manual mode, auto ISO, back button autofocus, and bird subject detection, and I think that's about it. Now with all of that out of the way, but before we get started, I also wanted to reveal the winner of the free print giveaway from last week's video. So congratulations, Woody Mallory. So you've won the print. I will be in touch to send it to you. And thanks so much for being a subscriber for so long and being a regular contributor to the channel. Now for everyone else who didn't win the print, don't worry. I am going to link down below to a print shop where if you really urgently want a print, you can order one. And I also will be doing another free print giveaway in next week's video because I had such a positive response from last week. So take a look at those prints if you like them. If not, stick around and you'll have another chance to win. All right, that's enough housekeeping. It's time to go photograph some birds. So the grass is very tall in this portion of the trail, and while I am hearing some birds, they are hiding very well. I have heard some of our usual suspects: field sparrow, common yellowthroat. Ooh, what do we got right here? Ooh. Where'd you go, little buddy? I think this might be a field sparrow. Oh. Let's see if he'll land in the light somewhere. Oh, pause. Common yellowthroat. I wish I would have been able to get a little closer to that common yellowthroat, but it was still a nice shot, I think, and that makes species number 2. So I was in the middle of setting up my camera in a shady spot over there when I came across species number 3 for this video. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording when it happened, but it was an Indigo Bunting that was sitting in the dark. And why I call it out and why it is a little notable to me is that I was shooting with an 800mm lens, and the reciprocal rule typically for most cameras, says that in order to get a sharp image, you're going to want 1 over your focal length, so 1/800th of a second. It was too dark for that, and I think I was shooting at 1/250th of a second. I think I'll put it up on the screen, but I may have gotten a sharp image of this bird with a really low shutter speed. So kudos to the Z9 and the 800 PF for being low light machines. I don't know if you recognize this scene, but this is the exact same part of the trail that I got scared by what apparently was a baby deer when I was doing my 2 lens setup video. So hopefully I won't get terrified by wildlife today. But I've also been hearing a northern bobwhite. If you've never heard one, they're a quail, kind of a game animal, not super common around here, and their call sounds like something like that. I need to work on my bobwhite, but I hear it off in the distance. Ooh. Okay, so just to check in, I've got about 20 minutes left of light, and so far, I think I just have several shots of the same 3 species, and that's okay. That's how it goes sometimes. But if I don't find much success here, that's just how birding goes. And I do have another spot that I do want to check out tomorrow, so we might have an opportunity for a little bit of species redemption. So let's just see how the rest of the afternoon goes. Alright, so while I'm moving on to the next location, I wanted to take just a quick moment to share with you how to order a print from me if you'd like one. To help you find the print shop, I've put a link in the description for you to follow, or you can just head to my website, alanyoung.photography. This week I've put up a limited run of this lovely image of a great blue heron. In the future, I'm going to rotate in more limited runs of even more prints, but once each run is sold out, that print will be gone. So take a look while you can if this print does speak to you. Thanks again for all of the interest and for the kind words. Print sales like this will help to support this channel so that I can keep bringing you nice content like this. Alright, on to the next location. We're looking at an eastern Phoebe. Got it. What's we got here? Female red-winged blackbird on the railing. I prefer my compositions to be in a more natural setting, but it counts for today. Out of time, but thankfully I did make it to lucky number 7 for my bird count on this short nature walk this afternoon. It was so nice to get out, feel the breeze, and not bake in the sun like everybody's been doing for the last few days. You thought we were done, but not so fast. Before I go, here are a few bonus shots for you. If you did like this video and you'd like to see more content like this, please consider a like and a subscribe on my channel. Also, I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.